Ah, boy. Tara na, boy. So we're gonna go to QC sa bahay ng tito ko. Okay, so right now, punta tayo sa Trinoma. Be buying the micro SD na supported ng camera na to para mas smooth, I think. Tsaka mas malaking memory yung kukunin ko. With the boy. With the boy. We're back in the car. Kami ni boy. Okay. Sobrang daming tao. Sobrang nakakawalang gana. Gusto ko sana mag-SM department store kaso sarado lahat. Sobrang daming tao. Oh my god. Sobrang init. Hindi lang dahil naganto ako pero sobrang init talaga. Pinagod ko lang yung sarili ko basically.
50%. Okay. Less sugar na lang po. Sorry. Less sugar? Hindi ko blood sugar.
Sorry, ato paganda.
Ay, fucker! Hindi ako nagpalit ng driving shoes.
Pati mag-park ka muna dyan. So right now, we're waiting for Jelly. Ay. Hindi daw niya nasuot yung driving shoes niya or whatever that means. Charat.
Hindi ko alam paano i-switch. What? Oh, there. Large lang yung kinuha niya. Right. Onigiri! Cute! I don't know if it fits my side.
Maliit yung large.
Anong size yan?
Small. Kasi kumain siya ng konti, so the boy will get shirts. Sit. Down, down. Shake, shake. Shake, shake. Hi, very good. I bought Teddy dog tag.
Patingin! Cute!
Hindi pa ko nakikita. Please contact my papa. Papa.
Yeah.
Baka nag-isip nun.
Moment, kasi it's a blessing, you know. But the show is because of the other, and it's all because of him.
When you need me, darling, can you hear me? SOS. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Oh. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. Stop it. Yes. No. 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 Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Kuya mo. Si Bea din, si Tobit ang winner. Tobit winner! Walang ay! Wala
Game.
Go. What? Something that I want!
Ang alikabok ko.
Ganun talaga. Ang laki ng hotdog.
Sa Chongi, gano'n.
Good for once na. Ano, nakaset ko. Set made ko kasi siya mga magag.
Thank you. Ang paklak. Ay, ang cute ng case mo. Alam ko tinapay.
Bread.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi pa lang.
Oo nga. Oo nga, sorry na. Ulitin mo na ito na alis namin. At mo kami sa Instagram.
Kasama ba kami? Gusto ko kita kayo ng
Hey guys, so we're here in G Court in Mandaluyong. So this is my friend Abby. So she invited me here to play.
I don't understand what you're saying. Yeah, this is the game. Oh my god. So this is G4.
So that's my baby.
Uy!
So yung huling beses ko nakapunta dito, na bago ko yung ulo ko.
Girl, I don't even want to remember.
Doon sa doon.
Yeah.
So right now, sobrang strong ko for going back.
And I'm so proud of you, Sid. I just want to say hi to my followers.
Yeah, she's
Na
from
wala
ano,
lang.
from the movie Rookie, if you're familiar.
Please watch Rookie. It's still streaming on Amazon Prime.
Yeah, I'll link it here.
Oh, no, here.
Okay, both.
And then my social media just down here.
Ito yung boyfriend niya. Say hi, Bing.
Hello.
What are you eating? Oh, Mama.
Jason, I want puto bongbong with cheese.
Kasi.
You don't know that? You're so uncultured.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna post
famous.
this na.
I thought you're famous on TikTok.
Saan
Or
yun,
si Teddy
girl? Just Teddy, just my dog. Follow him here.
Girl, nalilito na sila. It's so nice. DJI.
Yeah.
I know this brand. I have the one going up.
Drone.
A drone. Do you think we need that in volleyball?
Yes, I think.
Oh my God. So pag natamaan, wala na.
Yeah.
One touch na yun.
You just have to sacrifice eh.
Oh my God. Ang hassle. But I love it. So compact. So sleek. It's slick.
It's like,
And it's so handy.
yeah, cause it's on my hand.
Oh my God.
It's
It makes
on.
so sense. So sense. What did you say kanina? Between?
But
Read between the lines?
no. It's Zai's first time to bowl. Let's watch her. Watch her.
Hello. Remember we
Pero tama yun, tama yun. Isa pa.
Mali lang direction ko. Ay!
Oh girl. Sumakal.
Tulak ko lang daw.
Parang hindi, oh.
Ano ba? Di yung kakagat. Ano ba? Pero mo, biglang cute.
Okay na ba siya? Nag-seizure pa siya. Baka akong tarang.
Correct. May hawak ka pang fork. Pasok tayo dito.
Sino ba to?
Sino ba to? Girl, mag-hi kay JD.
Girl mo! Girl, masyado. Masyado. Wait lang. Hi, JD. Oh my God.
Gila na si
Oh, di ko sinabi.
Girl, nakakatawa. Wait, look up. Look up.
What look up?
Hello. Ano ginagawa dito?
Nagtuturo.
Girl, wala suklay-suklay. Ano sana sinabi mo? Sinaibigan.
Ayan, yun sinabi. Usap ko siya nung kanina.
Nung nagsibo kami.
Gusto mo kami sabi ko
Sa parent, dito siya nagtuturo ng mga badminton niya.
As in coach?
trainer lang. No?
Awesome baby. Taray. Oh, wait lang, JD, go back. JD, literal ko makaiba ako na shopping.
Kumakain ko ng shopping. Hawak ng tinidor.
Ano?
Tapos na ba kayo?
Ha?
Tapos na kayo?
Mag-start pa lang ako.
Ah, mag-start pa lang kayo.
Oh, istorbo ka eh. Gulat ako.
Ah, mag-start kasi.
Saan kaya?
Girl mo ako.
Correct.
Kaya pala sabi ni Jason, hindi ko gibiyes. Hindi, nagkukulit tayo.
I don't think that's a thing kasi pinakbet lang.
Ang papaduy naman nila, tatangan naman. Nakita niya na. Nakita niya niya.
Fucking act surprise naman.
Tumingin ka doon. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Blow.
Birthday na ni Adi. Birthday na ni Adi. Ngayon.
Get out. Happy birthday, sex bomb Adi.
Thank you.
Table number 7, pwede na po. It's me!
Wow.
Alam mo yan? Break!
Ay, naka-video.
Yan, JR, slide. Yun slide.
Go!
Tapon. Diretso nga. Yung natatabot para kalahating baso na yun. Uusin mo. Yes, Andy. Hindi pa kawal sa charot lang. Masyado ko pang... Yan ka.
Oh my God, that's mine!
Oh, let's go. Mic daw ni JR. Sino to? Napakaganda kanta. I love this song. JR.
Ayoko na lang yung nag-ako.
Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ano, tingin na siya? Ano, wait na. Wait, ba't parang tingin na siya? Ay, naku, nakatalo.
Hindi na ako.
Naubos ko.
twice. Twice. Marunong na to eh. Blackpink. Wala kayo gusto. Yung mukha ng mga tao. Hindi tayo. Gash, pasok ka. Okay. Yan, ready? Group pick and 1, 2, 3.
So, galing ako sa first class ng Parallel sa Tryon Towers. And we learned Standing Next to You by Jungkook. Super happy ako kasi hindi ko siya aralin on my own. Kaya nag-class ako for it. And ngayon, nag-zeg ako. First of many.
Hindi pang dito yung stickers ko. Hindi na nag-gets yung akla.
How are you feeling?
I feel old.
That's why she did this. Fresh grad. Sorry.
Ipin na lang, ipin. So bad, so bad. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me what I never wanna be.